wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight.
So we're at this beautiful anchorage, but what are you up to?
Got updates for the electronics, and this one here you have to take the panel apart, download the software to a flash drive, stick it in the back, turn the equipment off, then turn it back on. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but
Look at our view. It's so pretty.
we're just checking out our solar. We got the microwave running. Right now it's putting out 703 watts and keeping us at 98%. We have 1100 watts total, but the MPPT controllers control the exact amount of usage or charging that the lithium batteries need. So it's pretty cool.
It's working. Wouldn't be a day in the life of folk if you didn't have a job. In a tiny little space.
Downer. First day of our week vacation on the boat.
Cheers.
It was I thought it was gonna be just a lazy Anchorage day, you know, just relaxing. So we didn't go very far from the marina because we wanted to make sure all the systems were go and testing them, and they all needed upgraded, software upgrades, and it turned out to be a
whole day full of working and upgrades.
Yeah, so it was
and I was still working on my computer and trying to get a project out, and yeah, it was fun. It was a fun.
But it's
fun
ending
day.
Nice with the sun going down.
Yeah, it was a beautiful sunset.
Tomorrow we're gonna head out to Broad Slough.
Maybe Broad Slough, yeah. Yeah,
it's a 3-hour
tour.
Hopefully we could throw up the sails a little bit to get there.
That would be nice. There was some wind today. We probably could have.
It depends on what direction,
but yeah,
probably mostly motoring about 3 hours. I think we'll just anchor there and just hang out. Maybe that'll be a relaxing day tomorrow.
Yeah.
But the highlight of the day for me was our solar system that we put on. It kept up with anything we want to throw out of it: microwaves, TVs.
Yep,
fans,
kept us at 99, 98%.
And the more we use, the more the solar put out, and really happy with that. It'll make our quality of life quite comfortable out here.
Yeah.
So
yep, it was lovely.
Now we'll have to see how we manage any overnight, how the batteries do overnight.
Yeah, we don't use much power overnight, except we do charge some stuff at nighttime, and we've got stuff running all the time, like the refrigerator and other stuff. Not a bad day. It could be worse. We could be.
Did you show them our neighbor over
sitting
here?
in a. No, I did not. We have a neighbor.
Don't know what kind of boat it is.
Not sure what kind of boat that is. Let's see if I can get. I don't know what kind of boat that is. And it's beautiful. It's a little private island. This same island. Several months back, maybe even almost a year ago, I'm pretty sure that Becky climbed that tree right there to rescue a drone. She did. She climbed that one right there and rescued the drone.
Becky Hare.
Becky Hare. Yep. Bravest woman I've ever met in my life.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you the future is bright.
All right, we're off. Anchor's up. We're heading to Broad Slough.
Broad Slough. And you know, we probably don't need these on anymore.
Go ahead.
So we're gonna, this is us. We're going to hit this orange waypoint right here. And then we're gonna head up the river and hit the channel and then head out to our second anchorage, Broad Slough.
So let me go see what it's looking like out here. Got a nice little houseboat over here. I don't know if anybody's living in it. Oh yeah, I got some boats out there. There's a person there. I wonder how they get away with that. I guess it's an anchorage. Anybody can just live anywhere they want. Interesting. Okay. This will give us a chance to check out the volume with the wind protector or whatever they call it up top. Alright, nothing too spectacular out here, just the Delta Channel.
So Hal went to go take a nap and I am at the helm. Yes, very scary. And just kind of hanging out, having fun. We've got a little while to get to our destination. And yeah, should be good. Just cruising along. Ocean is definitely a little bit more choppy out there. But still a smooth ride on Tashi. She's a lovely lady. So this is our anchorage for the evening. It's a little bit windy, so we're probably not going to be sitting on the deck having a nightcap. But you know, it's mildly protected from the really big waves and winds that were out just a little bit in the channel. So, you know, maybe we'll get a good sunset.
We're getting ready to pull up anchor. It's too windy here. And in the bay, it's got knots, wind knots at gusting up to upper 40s. It's just not a good weather window for us to go to the bay. So we're gonna head back to the bedrooms in the Delta where it's a little calmer. And Alicia right now is programming our route home. She's our navigator. She's really good at it. And yeah, she's doing waypoints and stuff like that. This thing's like a Tesla. It'll drive itself. So yeah, she's working on that. And I'll be pulling up anchor in a few seconds. But it's pretty windy out here. And it's going to be way worse in the bay. So we can always come back. We'll come back in a week or so when the weather changes, but we're still gonna stay on the boat for a week and do some testing.
Beautiful morning out here. Really, really beautiful. Temperature's right. But I don't know if you could see it, but I got some little visitors here. This spider made a lovely web last night. Not sure if I want to keep it up there or not, considering that he's captured about 12,000 bugs. Hero? Maybe.
All right, which way is the sun?
The sun is pretty much directly behind you.
Okay.
And now we're
How's that?
angled. I think that looks good.
Did the watch go up?
Well, we got a little bit of shade from the
So we still should be getting more.
radar, but I'll go check it.
Okay.
It's at 475. Oh, 425.
It went up quite a bit.
Yeah, it did. It went up quite a bit from that. And it is reading charging now, so just that one little adjustment made a big difference. Big difference. Off we go. Take a ride. After a year of having Tashi in a marina, boatyard, or hauled out on dry land with parts and pieces strewn about, it is amazing to see our girl all put together and anchored out in the open water. She's a sight to behold as we round the bend and come upon her. It has been a labor of love, and we can't wait to see what the future holds for us. So we are at the end of our 7-day shakedown cruise. We bought the boat about a year ago and spent the past year working the boat over top to bottom, stem to stern, solar, electronics, batteries, new rigging, all sorts of things from top to bottom. And he's reminding me and I'm forgetting.
Everything on the bottom.
Oh yeah, we did a bottom job.
Yeah.
We changed the angle of the prop, right? We did that. Yeah, hey, I got it right. And just really did a lot of things and worked hard on the last year and did not have a lot of fun. So we thought, now that we had all of our projects completed to the point where we can really get out there, we would do our 7 days and see if we could really manage 7 days on a boat without stepping on land and still both of us come out of this alive. And as you can see, we're both alive, so that was a success. But what were your overall impressions about how the systems ran that we put on it?
Well, the first 2 days, a lot of systems didn't work. Very frustrating. Stupid stuff. Like the starter battery wasn't charging, and after hours of with my multimeter tracking down voltage where the voltage is getting lost, ended up being a switch that was bumped down in the salon. There's a down by the feet area. If you put a bag there, you can easily hit some switches. So one of us hit the switch, and it was just wasted a few hours there. And then, and then we spent a lot of times with the navigation system. It's been so long since we trained on it that we forgot a lot of stuff. So had to re-educate ourselves. But after a couple of days in learning and shaking everything out, I had a blast. I don't know about you, but I mean, everything's working right now. It's functional, and it just feels good. We finally get to play and enjoy it.
Yeah.
You know.
And I spent the week working from the boat, and we managed to maintain connectivity the whole time. And then, yeah, the solar kept us powered up. That was huge. We were able to top our batteries off in the morning, work all day, keep us at about 100% all day long. It got warm here, and when we got hot, we just jumped off the end of the boat, swam around a little bit, came back on, took a couple dinghy rides, and enjoyed a cold beverage every evening, and got some of the most beautiful sunsets that you can possibly imagine. But I definitely see how people can enjoy living on the hook. It's pretty awesome.
Fun. Good week.
So we'll do it again.
Wait for our home to show on the horizon. Soon we'll be there. Hold on tight. I can smell the shore. It's right in front of us. If we just hold on tight, this vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore when we can't read the sky.